శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. టుడే ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ ఆస్పీషియస్ తిథి, మోహిని ఏకాదశి. మోహ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అండ్ ఫర్మ్లీ బిలీవింగ్ దట్ మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. సో మోహిని ఏకాదశి టు complete the Aranyakanda, the last 3 sargas of Aranyakanda consists of 10 sargas. So till yesterday we have seen until 7th sarga. Today we will cover these 3 sargas. The having lost Sita, the sarga where Jatayu gives the information, Jatayu Samagamam. Also the Rama Vilapam, where Rama has actually felt bad and gone around for his beloved wife's loss. Then Kabandhodharanam, and finally Samagamam with Sabari. These are the 3 topics. So we'll go in our standard format. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Ramo Mayavinam Hatva Rakshasam Kamarupinam Pratasthe Swasramam Gantum Tato Durad Dadarsatam ఆయాంతం లక్ష్మణం దీనం ముఖేన పరిశుష్యత రాఘవశ్చింతయామాస స్యాత్మన్యేవ మహామతి. సో రామ హ్యావింగ్ కిల్డ్ మారీచ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్, at that same time he has seen from the far away Lakshmana coming towards him. Looking at this sight, he thought for himself, లక్ష్మణస్తన్ నజానాతి మాయాసీతాం మయా కృతం జ్ఞాత్వాప్యేనం పంచయిత్వా శోచామి ప్రాకృతో యథా. సో లక్ష్మణ ఈజ్ unaware of me replacing the Sita with the chaya of Sita. Maya Sita is information is not known. So maybe for him, for his sake, I will behave like a ordinary person of losing my wife. That's what he thought. Yadyaham mirato bhutva tushnim sthasyami mandire tada rakshasa kotinam vadhopayak kadham bhavet. So this will become my journey, will start to kill the Ravana. Yadi sochami tam dukkha santapta kamuko yatha tada kramena anuchinvan sitam yasye suralayam ravanam sakulam hatva సీతామగ్నౌ స్థితాం పునః. సో ఐ విల్ అకాంప్లిష్ మై డ్యూటీ థింకింగ్ దట్ లక్ష్మణ ప్రాంజలి ప్రాహ సీతాయ దుర్వచో రుదన్ హా లక్ష్మణేతి వచనం రాక్షసోక్తం శృతం తయా. సో లక్ష్మణ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్, ఓ రామ, ఐ హ్యావ్ సీత హ్యాస్ forced me to leave her and go to save you. I have told her tadvakya sadrusam srutva, tadvakya sadrusam dusva, by hearing like your voice, mam gaccheti tvarabravit rudanti sama prokta devi rakshasa bhashitam nedam ramasya vachanam swastha bhava suchis smite. So I have reassured that it is not Rama's voice, it is only Rakshasa's voice. Don't worry. Ityevam swantita sadhvi maya provacha mam punaha yaduktam durvacho Rama navachyam puratastava. So Lakshmana is very worried. He said, I have to leave her because she used a language which I cannot repeat in front of you. So I have come here. Then Rama says in the 4th, Tvaya Sribhashitam Satyam Krutva Tyaktva Subhanana Nita va Bhakshita vapi Rakshasair Natra Samsayaha. So Rama is accusing Lakshmana, saying that you somehow unable to listen to her and stay there. You have come here, and by now she would have been stolen by Rakshasas. So because he has realized that this is a Maya which has been created, so somebody has played a trick on all of them. Iti Chintaparo Ramaha Swasramam Tvarito Yeyau Tadadrushto Janakajam Vilalapati Dukkhitaha. He started crying for Ati Dukkhitaha for Sita. Ha priye kvagatasi tvamnasi purva padasrame adhava mad vimohardham lelayakva vilisiyase. So he is asking, oh, hey priye, oh my darling, Kvagatasi tvam nasi purvada padasriye, so you are not, I can't find you anywhere in the ashrama. Tatra adhava mad vimohartham, to fool me, vimohartham lelayakva viliyase, have you gone like a playful nature, you are hiding somewhere. Isn't it real? She is hiding somewhere, kva viliyase. So it is a sorrow as well as he is telling some truth there. Ityachanvanvayam sarvam napasyan janakin tadha vanadevyah kuta sitam brvantu mama vallabham. So he is asking the Vanadevis, the goddesses of the forest, have you seen anywhere? Mrugascha pakshino vriksha darsayantu mama priyam. He is asking for mrugas, means animals, pakshi, birds. So everybody, he is in the sorrow, he is searching for his wife, and he is completely out of his mind. He is going around. Sarvajnaha sarvadha kvapi napasyad raghunandanaha anandopyan vasochatta amalopyanu dhavati. So he, even though Ananda, he is, so na bharya, my wife, my Sita, Nirmamo Nirahankaro Apyakhandananda Rupavan Mamajayeti Siteti Vilalapati Dukkhitaha. So my wife, my Sita, he started crying, weeping, he started worrying outwardly for her. So then the story continues. Then after searching everywhere, not finding anything, they go and find the Radha, the pieces of the chariot fallen from. Then looking at the chariot, so he recognizes somebody has come here, something has happened. Little moving ahead, there are signs of some fight, war has happened, and he also finds a big animal falling in there. Again he misunderstands, or he acts as if he misunderstood. He says, somebody is here who seems to have killed and ate, one Rakshasa is there who killed and ate my wife. Bring my arrow, I will kill this. Again, that is Jatayu. So this is the second time Rama saying that this is some Rakshasa I will kill. Again Jatayu says, Mam namaraya bhadrante mriyamanam swakarmanam aham Jatayuste bharya harinam samanudrutaha. So again Jatayu says, Mam namaraya bhadrante, you don't need to kill me, mriyamanam swakarmana. Jatayu says a great, on my own karmas I am dying. Okay. So Ravanam tatra yuddhante bhabhuvari vimardhanaha tasya vahan radhanchapam chitvaham neta tena ghantinaha. So I obstructed Ravana when he is trying to abduct your wife, and I broke his Radha, his parts of the Radha and his bow and all those things which have fallen there. So Patitosmi Jagannatha, so I have fallen here. Pranam Tyakshwami Pasyamam, I am going to die. Look at me, జటాయో బ్రూహి మే భార్య కేన నీతా శుభానన మత్కార్యార్థం హతోస్సి త్వమసోపి మే ప్రియబాంధవః. సో రామ, ఇన్ ఆల్ దట్ misery, he is saying, whatever you have helped, you became a very close relative to me. Priya bandhavaha. Jatayuhu sannaya vacha vatrad raktam samudvayan uvacha ravano rama rakshaso bhima vikrama. So with blood flowing out of his mouth, adaya maithilim sitam dakshinabhimukho yayau. So he has went south. So that much information he has given. Dishtadityosi Ramaha tvam mriyamane name anaghaha paramatmasi vishnustvam maya manuja rupa dhruk. Jatayu is saying again, O Rama, I know your true form. So antakalepi drishtvatam muktoham raghunandanaha. Having at the end of my time, having your vision in front of me, I have become mukta. Hastabhyam sprusya mam Rama. Touch me once. Hastabhyam sprusya mam Rama. Punarasyami te padam. So by that touch, I will be taken to your abode. Tadheti Rama sasparsah tadangam paninasmayam tatah pranan parityajya jatayu patito bhuvi. So having touched by Rama, Jatayu left. Jatayu's body has fallen. Jatayu's taken a wonderful form. Snatva dukhyena ramopi lakshmanena samanvitaha hatva vane mrugantatra mamsa khandas samantataha sadvale pakshipadrama pruthagane katha bhakshantu pakshinah sarve trupto bhavatu pakshirat. So Jatayu has been the unchaste samskara for the Jatayu has been performed by Rama. Having performed that unchaste samskara, tato antaramevasau divya rupa dharaha subhaha vimana samaharuhya bhaswaram bhanusannibham. Like bright like a sun, he has got a vimana, the flying chariot, and having sit there with the Shankha Chakra, he has become Sarupya Mukti. So he has become like Vishnu with the Shankha Chakra Gada Pitambara Dhara and Chaturbhehi Parshadair Vishnu Sadrusai Prabhipujitaha. 4 Parshadais have come and worshipped that Divya Sarupya Jatayu Swarupa. Krutanjali Puto Bhutva Tushtava Raghunandanam. So in that form of divine form, Jatayu is speaking. Jatayu Rovacha. This is a stotram. Aganita gunaganama prameya madhyam sakala jagasthiti samyamadi hetum uparama paramam paratma bhutam satatamaham pranatosmi ramachandram. So aganita gunaganama prameya artham. So uncountable great gunas, great qualities of Rama are there. Sakala jagat sthiti samyamadi hetum. So jagat srushti sthiti, controlling. Uparamama param, so taking away, transformation, everything. Paratma bhutam satatamaham pranatosmi ramachandram. Niravadhi sukhamindira agataksha kapikta surendra chaturmukhadi dukkham నరవరమనిసం నతోస్మి రామం వరదమహం వరచాప బాణహస్థం. అఖండానంద స్వరూపుడు, లక్ష్మీ కటాక్షుడు, ఇంద్ర బ్రహ్మాది పూజిత. సో వన్ హూ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ బీన్ వర్షిప్డ్ బై ఇంద్ర అండ్ బ్రహ్మ, ఆల్ దోస్. పరచాప బాణహస్తం, వన్ హీ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద గ్రేట్ చాప బాణహస్తం. త్రిభువన కమనీయ రూపమీడ్యం రవిశత భాను సురమీహిత ప్రదానం శరణదమనిశం సురాగమూలే కృత నిలయం రఘునందనం ప్రపద్యే. సో ఎవ్రీవేర్ ప్రపద్యే, వన్ నేమ్ అండ్ ప్రపద్యే ఈస్ గివింగ్ ద త్రిభువన కమనీయ రూపమీడ్యం. ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద 3 worlds, కమనీయ రూపం, దెర్ ఇస్ వన్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫామ్. ఈడ్యం శశితర శరణాగత రక్షణ భవ విపిన దవాగ్నినామధేయం భవముఖ దైవ అదైవతం దయాళుం భవముఖ దైవతం దయాళుం ధనుజపతి సహస్రకోటి నాశం రవితనయా సదృశం హరిం ప్రపద్యే. రఘునందనం హరిం ప్రపద్యే. He is like a fire to this forest fire, like to this samsara forest. Avitara bhavanati duram bhava vimukhair munibhi sadaiva drusyam bhava jaladhi sutaranangri potam saranamaham raghunandanam prapadye. So if this bhavabdhi is like a ocean, then the lotus feet of Rama will cross this over. గిరిసుతా మనోనివాసం గిరివరధారిణ మీహితాభిరామం సురవర ధనుజేంద్ర సేవితాంఘ్రిం సురవరం రఘునాయకం ప్రపద్యే. వన్ గిరిసుతా మనోనివాసం. He lives in the minds of Girisha and Girisuta, Shiva and Parvati. గిరివరధారిణం ఈహితాభిరామం. సో సురవర ధనుజేంద్ర సేవితాంఘ్రిం సురవరదం. when he can grant the boons for the gods. రఘునాయకం ప్రపద్యే. పరధన పరదార వర్జితానాం పరగుణ భూతిషు తుష్ట మానసానాం పరహిత నిరతాత్మనాం సుసేవ్యం రఘువరం అంబుజలోచనం ప్రపద్యే. రఘువరం అంబుజలోచనం ప్రపద్యే. పరధన పరదార ధనవర్జితానాం. సో those who have given up any desire for others' wealth, others' wife, other things. Paraguna bhushita tushtamanasanam. Those who will see the gunas of others, whose jealousy is taken away. People who enjoy the good qualities of others. Parahita niratatmanam, always working for a well-being of others. Susevyam, such people are doing the worship of the God. రఘువరం అంబుజలోచనం. స్మిత రుచి రవికాసితానాబ్జ అతిసులభం సురరాజ నీలం సితజల రుహ చారునేత్ర శోభం రఘుపతి మీశ గురోర్గురుం ప్రపద్యే. రఘుపతిం ఈశ గురోర్గురుం. సో ఈశ ఈజ్ ద గురు ఫర్ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఫర్ హిమ్ గురోర్గురుం ప్రపద్యే. హరికమల శంభు రూపభేదాత్ త్వమిహ విభాసి గుణత్రయానువృత్తః రవిరివ జలపూరితోదపాత్రే శ్వమరపతి స్తుతి పాత్రమీశమీడే. సో he is being worshipped or being stotras are being done by the great gods. Harihara Kamala Shambhu Rupa Vedhat Tvamiha Vibhasi. In all the three trinity forms of Harihara, Kamalaja, so one who has born of Brahma, Vishnu, Rudras, and Gunatrayanu-vruttaha, one who is the Anuvrutta of Gunatrayas. So I select Ratipati Satakoti Sundarangam Satabhada Gochara Bhavana Viduram Yetipati Hrudaye Sadavibhatam Raghupati Murti Raghupatim Artiharam Prabhum Prapadje. Raghupatim Artiharam, one who takes out all the arti, all the distress. Haram, one he takes such distress from the people. Ratipati Satakoti Sundarangam, of 100 crores of Ratipatis Manmadhas Sundarangam. Satabhada Gochara Bhavana Viduram, so of thousands of Satapadha Bhavana Margas. So people who are just going by the external views, not Viduram, people cannot reach, even if there are thousands of ways are taken. Yetipati Hrudaye Sada Vibhatam. In the Yatis who have given up this samsara, in their Hrudaye, in their hearts always seen such Prabhum Prapadya. इत्येवं स्तुवतस्तस्य प्रसन्नो भूय रघुत्तम उवाच गच्छ भद्रन्ते मम विष्णोः परं पदं शृणोति य इदं स्तोत्रं लिखेद्वा नियतः पठेत् स याति मम सारूप्यं मरणे मत्स्मृतिं लभेत् इति रामभाषितं तदा श्रुतवान् हर्षसमाकुलो द्विजः रघुनन्दनस्यां साम्यमास्थितः प्रययौ ब्रह्मसुपूजितं पदम्. This is the 8th sarga. So the Phalasruti given here is very interesting. So Jatayu has attained a Sarupya Mukti to Vishnu. So those who study this stotra with bhakti, likhedva or writes this down, or hears srunotiya idam stotram likhedva niyatah pathet sayati mama sarupyam. So Rama is saying sarupya mukti you will get by this stotra of Jatayu. Then tato being directed by Jatayu, she has been taken southward. So he started going further southward into the deep forest. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha, 9th Sarga, Kabandhodharanam. So we will just take the Kabandhas. Kabandha is a very frightening Rakshasa again. He is a Gandharva. So we will go through that part now. Tato Ramo Lakshmanena Jagama Vipinantaram Tata Dukkham Samatrisya Sitanveshana Tatparaha. So while searching Sita, he has gone down. So as he goes, he has seen a big Rakshasa who is not having anything other than a body, a mouth and 2 hands. So his hands are 1 yojana vistirna, so they are like 2.5 miles long, both hands. And he has a huge body, and once anything comes into the axis of the hands, he will catch and put directly into the stomach. So he has no mouth, and his stomach itself is having a mouth. So he will put it inside. That is the Kabandha's description. Such Kabandha has started capturing from both hands these 2 princes. Now only 2 princes are there, Rama and Lakshmana. So as they see he capturing them, both of them will cut both the hands. So Tadheti Ramah Khadgena Bhujam Dakshinamitchitsat Nat Tadhaiva Lakshmana Vamam Chicheda Bhajamanja. So the right hand is cut by Rama, and Lakshmana left hand he has cut. Then having his hands cut, Tato Abravid then Neva Ramo Rajivilochana Ayodhyapati Sriman Kabandhavu Vacha Thanyoham Yadi Ramastvamagatosi Mamantikam Pura Gandharva Rajoham Ropayavana Darpitaha. So I am a Gandharva Raja, one who is Darpitaha, having a lot of pride in my own Ropa and Yavana, in my farm and my youth. Virachan Lokamahinam Paranari Varanari Manoharaha Tapasa Brahmano Labdhamadhyatvam Avadhyatvam Raghuttama. So I have done a tapas to Brahma, and I have got a boon that avadhyatvam, nobody can kill me, I don't have death. Ashtavakram munindruštva kadachinadaham pura kruddho asaha dushtatvam rakshaso bhavadurmate. So I have done a aparadha towards Ashtavakra Maharshi. Ashtavakra Maharshi is having 8 deformities in his body. So looking at him, I made fun of him. Then Ashtavakra Maharshi gave a sapa to me to become a Rakshasa. So Rakshasa, then I fell at his feet. Then he said, Tretayuge Dasarathir Bhutva Narayana Swayam Agamishyati Bahu Chidhyate Yojanayatau. Of your long hands will be cut away by the Rama. Then your sapa will be vimukti, your sapa will go away. So what you have to do now is put my remaining body into a big ditch. So you make a ditch and fill it with the sticks, put my body in there and put it on fire, so that I will leave that body and attain my original body. My Shapa will be, I will be relieved of my Shapa and I will get my original form. So having heard that, then Rama takes that request and also he puts that this thing. So Gandharva Ramam Pradakshanam Krutva Sashtangam Pranipatya cha Krutanjaliruvedam Bhakti Gadgadaya Gira, with Bhakti Gadgadika Swara. This Gandharva Buvacha Stotu Mutsahate Medya Mano Ramati Sambhramat Tvam Anantam Anadyantam Mano Vachama Gocharam. So Tvam, you, Anantam Anadyantam, you are infinite and not having a beginning and end. Mano Vachama Gocharam, one who is not in the reach of imagination of mind and speech, not described by any speech. Stotum ichchami. I wanted to do the stotra. Sukshmante rupam avyaktam dehadvaya vilakshanam pradhak drugrupamitarat sarvam drusyam jadamanatmakam tatkadham tvam vijaniya vyatiriktam manah prabho. So your true form is beyond the materialistic nature, so it cannot be caught by anything. Sukshmam buddhyatma bhasayor raikyam jeva ityabhidhiyate buddhyadi sakshi brahmaiva tasmin nirvishaye akhilam. So he is being a Gandharva, he is again giving his own view. Actually, Kabandha, Gandharva, Virat Swarupa of Rama is being given now. So on this great Ekadasi, we will see that Virat Swarupa. So 32nd sloka, Buddhyatma Bhasayor Aikyam. So the Buddhi Atma reflection, Atma's reflection in Buddhi, Aikyam Jeva Ityabhidhiyate. So the Atma's reflection in Buddhi, in the mirror of Buddhi, is known as Jiva. Buddhyadi Sakshi Brahmaiva. So the witness of real Sakshi is Brahma alone. Tasmin Nirveshaye Akhilam. Aropyate Ajnanavasya Nirvikare Akhilatmani Hiranyagarbhaste Sokshmam Deham Stolam Virat Smrutam. So people superimpose this Virat Swarupa on this Sukshma, like Akasa, like space, Sokshmam, subtle nature. On your subtle nature, people superimpose this Virat Swarupa, Virat Smratam. So people remember you as a Virat. Bhavana Vishayo Rama Sokshmam Tye Dhyatrumangalam. Bhutam Bhavyam Bhavishyatcha Yatredam Drusyate Jagat. The past, present and future, how the world is seen, that is the Virat Swarupa. Virat Swarupa is not just the current form of the world. In the Virat Swarupa, past, future, present, all come together into the Virat Swarupa. Time will lose its distinctions. Such Virat Swarupa, Drusyate Jagat, this world is seen as that Virat Swarupa. So it is, I am witnessing now, I am a temporary witness with my body, mind and intellect. As long as this body, mind and intellect is there, that much of Jagat Swarupa, Virat Swarupa I can know. There is nothing beyond I can know. Now, Sthule Andakose Dehe Te Mahadabhiravrute Saptabhiruttara Gunair Virajo Dharanasrayaha. So, all the 7 lokas, 7 layers. Tvameva sarva kaivalyam lokaste avayavas mrataha patalante padamulam. So your feet is known as patala. So he is coming from bottom, feet to up. Patalante padamulam parhistava mahatalam. So atala vitala sutala talatala rasatala mahatala patala are downward. Bhuloka, Bhorloka, Suvarloka, Mahaloka, Janoloka, Tapoloka, Swargaloka are the upward. So these lokas, this Gandharva is seeing, or he is describing the Virat Swarupa of Rama. Patalante Padamulam Parhistava Mahatalam Rasalante Gulbhau Tu Talatalam Itiryate Januni Sutalam Rama Urute Vitalam Tatha Atalam Cha Mahirama Jaghanam Nabhigam Nabhaha Urhastalam Te Jyotimshi Grevate Mahauchyate Vadanam Janalokaste Tapaste Sankhade Desagam Satyaloko Raghusreshta Sirshanyaste Sadaprabho Indradayo Lokapala Bhavaste Diseha Srutihi Ashvinau Nasike Rama Vaktrante Agni Hudahvrutaha Chakshuste Savita Rama Manas Chandra Udahrutaha Bhrubanga Eva Kalaste Buddhiste Vakpatir Bhavet. So starting from Atala Vitala Sutala, this thing, Nabhi as the Antariksha, then above Satyaloka up to Satyaloka, Sirsha is Satyaloka. So all the 14 lokas, Indradeyo Lokapala Bhavaste, so Disaha Shrutihi. So Indradi Lokapalas are the hands, infinite number of hands, Adi Lokapalas. The directions are your ears. Ashvinau Nasike Nama, Ashwini Devatas are your Nasikas. Vaktrante Agni Rudahvrutaha. Your mouth is known as fire, Agni. Chakshuste Savita Rama, the eye or the sun. Manas Chandra Udarhataha, in your, the mind is known as moon. Bhru Bhanga Eva Kalaste, your movement of Bhru Bhanga, the movement of your eyebrows is known as the time. Buddhiste Vakpatir Bhavet, your intellect is known as the Vakpati or the Brahma. Rudro Ahankara Ropaste Vachas Chandramsite Vyayaha Yamaste Damshtra Desosto Nakshatrani Dvijalayaha. Rudro Ahankara Ropaste, Rudra is your Ahankara Ropa. Vachas Chandamsite Vyayaha, whatever you speak is Vedas. Yamaste Damshtra Desastho, your teeth are known as Yama, Nakshatrani Dvijalayaha. So, Yama Nakshatra are the teeth. Haso Mohakari Maya, your smile is the Mohakari Maya. It is the Maya. Sruštiste Apanga Mokshanam. Just by the end eye view, the Srushti will happen. Dharmaha Puraste Adharmascha Prushthabhaga Udiritaha. What is known as Dharma is your front, what is known as Adharma is your back. Nimisho Meshane Ratrir Devachaiva Raghuttama, your blink of eyes is the day and night. Nimisha, closing of your eyes is night and opening is day. Raghuttama Samudra Saptate Kukshar Nadyo Sadyastava Prabho. So Samudra Kukshi, your stomach is the Samudra. Nadyo, your nadis are Sadyastava Prabho, the nadis. Romani Vrukshau Shadhayo Reto Vrushtistava Prabho. Mahima Jnanasaktiste Evam Sthulam Punastava. The Romani, the hair on your body is the Vruksha Oshadhayaha. They are the Vrukshas and Oshadhas. Reto Vrushtistava Prabha. Retas is the rain. Mahima Jnanasaktiste, your Mahima, your power is the Jnanasakti. Evam Sthulam Vapustavaha. This description is your gross body. Sthula Vapu is this. Yadasmin Sthula Rupete Manas Sandharyate Naraihi Anayasena Muktihis Yadaton Nanyahih Kinchanaha. Atoham Ramarupante. So anybody who understands this Virat Swarupa, Sthula Rupa as Rama in this way, Anayasena Muktisyadato Anyahi Kinchanaha. So by this jhana, by this type of a meditation on Rama, anayasena muktihi, without any ayasa, without any difficulty, he reaches the muktihi. अतोहम राम रूपंते स्थूलमेवानुभावये यस्मिन् ध्याते प्रेम रसः सरोम पुलको भवेत् स रोम पुलको भवेत्. So when I do this kind of a dhyana, on my body all the romas will stand up, roma pulako bhavet, haripulations will come. तदैव मुक्तिस्याद्राम यदा ते स्थूलभावकः तदप्यासां तवैवाह एतद्रूपं विचिन्तये. So that only is the mukti according to me. Syadrama यदा ते स्थूलभावकः. In this gross virat form I am getting your rupa in me, or realizing it in that way. So vichintana, through this enquiry method, vichintana, dhanurbhanadharam syamam jatavalkala bhushitam apichya sitam vichinvantam salakshmanam. So along with dhanurbhanas, dark colored jatavalkala bhushita, along with Lakshmana, who came searching for Sita, this form साक्षात् सर्वा सहित सदा इदमेव सदा मे स्यान् मानसे रघुनंदनः सर्वज्ञः शंकरः साक्षात् पार्वत्या सहित सदा. So this rupa be imprinted in my mind. So sarvajñah shankara sakshat, sarvajña shankara sakshat shankara along with Parvati, he will be doing the dhyana on this form alone. त्वद्रूपमेवं सततं ध्यायन्नास्ते रघुत्तमः मुमूर्षूणां तदास्कास्यां तारकं ब्रह्मवाचकं. So this rupa alone, he gives the description of it for those people in Kasi, whoever are dying, he will give this form, this rupa only to them. Rama Rame Tyupadisan Sada Santushta Manasaha Atastam Janakinatha Paramatma Sunischitaha. So he is giving Upadesha of your Ramanama. So you are the Paramatma. Sarvate Mayaya Mudhas Tvam Najananti Tatvataha Namaste Ramabhadraya Vedase Paramatmane Vedhase Paramatmane Sarvate Mayaya Mudha Tvam Najananti Tatvataha. Those who are deluded by your Maya, they will not know your Tattva. Namaste Ramabhadraya Vedhase Paramatmane. I bow down to that Ramabhadra, who is known by the Vedas, and Paramatmane. Ayodhyadipate tubhyam namah saumitri sevitaha trahi trahi jagannatha mam maya navrunotu te. So trahi trahi, protect me, don't let your Maya take over my being. So this is 54th sloka, he completes his stotra. Sri Rama Uvacha. तुष्टोहम देवगंधर्वा भक्त्या स्तुत्या चते नघः आयाहि याहि मे परमं स्थानं योगिगम्यं सनातनं जपन्ति ये नित्य मनन्यबुद्ध्या भक्त्या त्वदुक्तं स्तवमागमोक्तं ते अज्ञान संभूत भवं विहाय मां यान्ति नित्यानुभवानुमेयम्. So Phalasruti, Rama is telling the Phalasruti, Tushtoham, I am satisfied with your and Devagandharva Bhaktya Stutya Chatena Ghaha, by your Bhakti and Stuti. Then Yahime Paramam Sthanam, you go to your Paramam Sthanam, so supreme abode, my supreme abode, Yogi Gamyam Sanatanam, only yogis can reach, eternal, such place you will reach. Japanti ye Nityam Ananya Buddhya, without any second thought, who does the japa of his. Japantite nityam ananya buddhya bhaktya tvaduktam stavamaga moktamam. This stavam agamoktamam, which is there in the agamas, agama shastram. So now whole of the agama shastra, this Gandharva has put into his stava for the benefit of people like us. This stava has been seen by Maharshi Vedavyasa, and it has been put into this Brahmana Purana, into this Adhyatma Ramayana. So we are blessed to read and get relieved of this world and revealed of the supreme nature by such stava. This is the end of 9th sarga. Then the last sarga, which is a very interesting sarga, again, thus Sabari Samagamam. So then he actually said that you can go south. Sri Mahadeva Vacha Labdha Varam Sagandharva Prayaswan Ramam Abravit Sabaryaste Purvabhage Ashrame Raghunandana. So this Gandharva, before leaving, he said, "O Rama, there is Sabari down the Purogas. If you go further, there is Sabari's ashrama. Bhaktya Tvat Padakamale Bhakti Marga Visharada Tam Prayahi Mahabhaga Sarvante Kadhaishyati." So you go to her, she will tell you everything what you need. Ityuktva payasosi vimananarkavarchasa Vishnoha padam Rama namasmarane phalamidrusyam. By Rama namasmarana he went in his vimana. Tyaktva tadapinam ghoram simha vyagradidhushitam senairadhasrama padam sabarya Raghunandana. So Raghunandana then followed the path directed by Kabandha to reach Sabari. Sabari Ramamalokya Lakshmanena Samanvitam Ayantamarardharshena Pratyuthayachirena sa Patitya Padayoragre Harshapurnasrulochana Swagatena Abhinandadhya Swanase Samnyavesayat Ramalakshmanayo Samyak Padau Prakshalya Bhaktitaha Tajjalena Abhishityanga Madharghyabhiradavruta Sampujya Vidhivadramam Sasaumitrim Saparyaya Sangruhitani Divyani Ramadram Sabari Muda Ramardham Sabari Muda Phalanyamrutakalpani Dadau Ramaya Bhaktitaha Padau Sampujya Kusumai Sugandhai Sanulepanaihi. Sabari has collected several sugandhas, anulepanas, fruits, roots, shoots, all sorts of things. Having seen the Rama and Lakshmana, she washed their feet, taken that water onto the head and on the body, and she did a Vistara puja or whatever she can give, all the things. Kruta Atidhyam. So Atidhi has come and she has given whatever she has. Raghusreshtam Upavishtam Sahanujam Sabari Bhakti Sampanna Pranjalil Varkyam Bravit. With the Pranjali she is speaking. Atra asrame Raghusreshta Guravo me Maharshaya Sthita Susrushanam Tesham Kurvati Samupastita. In this ashrama my gurus used to stay. Bahu Varsha Sahasrani Gataste Brahmana Padam Gamishanto Brahmanmantvam Saha Vasatraiva Samahita. They told me to wait here, that you will come at some time. I am waiting on their words. Ramo Dasaridhir Chataha Paramatma Sanataha Rakshasanam Madardhaya Rushinam Rakshanaya Cha Agamishyati Saikagra Dhyananishta Stirabhava Idanim Chitrakota Dravasrame Vasati Prabhu Yavadagamanam Tasya Tavadraksha Kalevaram Drashtaiva Raghavam Dagdva Deham Yasyasi Tatparam. So they have instructed me, as long as you don't come here, save this body, save Sabari's body, and once he comes, then you worship him and then you can leave this body. That's what they have said. So I am Tava Darshanam Rama Gurunamapi me nahi Yoshir Modha Prameyatman Ja Hina Jati Samudbhavaha. So I am a woman, I don't know anything, I am born of a lower birth. Tava dasasya dasanam shatasankhosyatarva dasitvena adhikaroste kutas sakshat tavaivahi. I don't have, this is Sabari is Tava dasasya dasanam shatasankhyotarasya dasa. So for your servants, 100 times servant, under that also I am not eligible to do the serving. Dasitve nadhikarosti. I don't have the adhikara to do the dasitva to them also. Kuta sakshat tavaivahi. For you, how can I be a dasi, or how can I serve you? I don't have serving ability. Kadhan ramadhyasti me drushta tvam वाग अगोचर स्तोतुम न जाने देवेश किं करोमि प्रसीदमे. So I don't know how even to do the stotra to you. What should I do now? You tell me. So here Rama gives Navavidha Bhakti Rupas to Sabari. Keeping Sabari in front, Rama gives this thing. Sri Rama Uvacha. Rama is where Sabari is saying, I am a woman, I am born of low birth and all those things she is saying, but Rama is saying, very important. Pumstve stritve visheshova jati namasrayadayaha na karanam madbhajane bhaktireva hi karanam. Without any doubt, he defines. Pumstve, male, stritve, female, visheshova. So different visheshas, different specializations. Jati, nama, asrayadaya, asramadaya. Birth, name or ashrama, what phase of life you are. Na karanam madbhajane. They are not the causes of bhakti, madbhajana. Bhakti reva hi karanam. Only devotion. Beyond all these distinctions. Yajna dana tapobhirva vedadhyena karmabhihi naiva drashtumaham sikyo madbhakti vimukhai sada. Yajnas, doing the sacrifices. Danas, doing great sacrifice in terms of dana, giving away the wealth. Tapobhirva, tapas, very difficult tapas, practices. Vedadhyena karmabhihi, studying the Vedas. Naiva drashtumaham sikyo, they can't make anyone see me or realize me. Bhakti revahi, sikyo madbhakti vimukhai sadaha. Those who are not interested in bhakti. Tasmad bhamini sankhepad vakshyeham bhakti sadhanam. So Bhamini, oh lady, Tasmat, that's why let me tell you the bhakti sadhanas. Satam sangatirevatra sadhanam pradhamam smrutam. Satam sangati, in the association of Satpurushas, is the first one. Sabari has had it. Sabari's gurus were there in the ashrama. She was serving those gurus. That satsanga is there. Dvitiyam mat kadhalapaha. Listening to the stories is the second one. Trutiyam madgureranam. So, knowing my qualities. Vyakhyatratvam madvachasam chaturdham sadhanam bhavet. Fourth one is vyakhyana. Talking about my walk, whatever I am saying, these things, describing my words is the fourth sadhanam. Acharyopasanam bhadre mad buddhya mayaya sada. Acharya upasanam, serving gurus. Madbudhya amayaya sada. Madbudhya, thinking that he is me only, God. Acharya as God only. Panchamam punyasilatvam yamadi niyamadi cha. Fifth one, that is the yama niyama. Nishtha mat pujane nityam sashtam sadhanamiritam. So, pujanam, doing the worship, physical worship, mat pujanam. Sashtam, sixth sadhanam. Mama mantropasakatvam sangam saptamam uchyate. Along with angas, means anganyasa, karanyasa, so mantra upasana, along with the proper method, that is the seventh. Madbhakteshvadhika puja sarva bhuteshu manmatihi bahyadhyeshu viragitvam samadhi sahitam tadha. Ashtamam, Navamam, that is the Ashtamam. So, in all bhutas manmati, thinking that I am only in all bahyardheshu viragitvam, not having external desires or not not having desires to consume external vishayas, samadhi sahitam sadha, having internal control of the senses. Ashtamam, navamam tad vicharo mama bhamini. Mama bhamini, he is calling my lady. Oh lady, again, bhadre he has used. Mama bhamini here. Ashtamam, navamam tattva vicharo. Ninth is the tattva vichara, thinking about the actual tattva behind all these things. Evam navavidha bhakti sadhanam yasya kasyava. So these are known as 9 vidhas of bhakti. Satsanga to tattva vichara are 9 vidhas of bhakti, as Rama said. Striyova purushasyapi tiryagyoनिगतस्यवा bhakti sanjayate premalakshana subhalakshane. Subhalakshane, one who is having the subhalakshanas. So, striyo purushasyapi, women or men. Tiryagyoni gatasyava, one who has born in the lowest of the wombs. Whatever it is, bhakti sanjayate prema lakshana. This bhakti gives the prema, the attachment to the supreme. Attachment to infinite, detachment from the finite is the prema lakshana. Bhaktau sanjata matrayam matatvanubhavastada Mamanubhava siddhasya muktistatraiva janmani. So by bhakti, when this prema, attachment to the infinite form, my subtle infinite form comes, mattattvanubhavastada, then only the tattva anubhava comes. The experience, direct experience, not through the sense experience, direct experience of anubhava. Mamanubhava siddhasya, he is known as the Siddha, one who has done this sakshatkara of Rama's anubhava. Siddhasya muktis tatraiva janmani. Immediately the mukti will come in that janma itself. Syat tasmat karanam bhaktir mokshasyeti sunischitam pradhamam sadhanam yasya bhavet tasya kremena tu. So for that sakshatkara, bhakti is the foremost karana. Bhavet sarvam tato bhaktir muktireva sunaschitam yasman madbhakti yuktatvam tatoham tvamupastitaha. So you have arrived at that mukti. Ito maddarsanat mukti stavan natyastra samsyaha yadi janasi me bruhi sita kamalalochana. Then he asked, if you know anything about my wife Sita, tell me. So no doubt in that you are attaining the mukti. Sabari has arrived at the mukti. So Rama himself declared that. Ito maddarsanat muktis tatra nanyastra samseyaha. Having seen me, you have arrived at the mukti. Kutraste kenate anita priya me priyadarsana. My priya, my lover, priya me priyadarsana. Great to see such Sita, Nita has taken away by someone. Kutraste, where she has been taken away. Sabar Yuvacha. Sabari is saying, Deva janasi sarvajna sarvam tvam vishwabhavanaha tadhapi pruchase yanman lokanusruta prabho. O God who knows everything, you are asking me to tell where is your beloved wife. What is this? Tatoham Abhidasyami Sita Yatradhuna Sthita Ravanena Hruta Sita Lankayam Vartate Dhuna. So I will tell you, Ravana has taken your wife, she is in the Lanka. Itah Samipe Ramaste Pampa Nama Sarovaram. So here nearby there is a Pampa Sarovaram is there. A pond called Pampa, Sarovaram, water body called Pampa. Rushyamuka Girirnama Tatsamipe Mahanagaha. Nearby that there is a great mountain known as Rushyamuka. Chaturbhir Mantribhir Sardham Sugrivo Vanaradhivaha Bheta Bhetaha Sadayatra Tishtatyatu Atula Vikramaha. Even though he is a great valorous king, one Sugriva along with 4 of his mantris, he is living there with a fear. Valinascha bhayat भातुस् तदगम्यं ऋषेर्भयात् वालिनस्तगच्छत्वं तेन सख्यं कुरु प्रभो. So he is afraid of Vali and his fearful ways. You go to him and make friendship with him. Sugrivena sassarvam te karyam sampadayishyati ahamagnyam pravekshami tavagre raghunandana. So that is what I can tell you. You go there to the Sugriva, then you will achieve all that what you have to achieve through him. That much I can tell you. But now I will enter into the Agni, the fire. My work is done. Tavagre, in your front of you, I will enter. Muhurtam Tishta Rajendra. You sit for a muhurta, one muhurta kala. Yavad Daktva Kalevaram, till my body is burnt. Yasyami Bhagavan Rama Tava Vishnu Parampadam. So I will reach your place if you sit there. इतिरामं समामंत्र्या प्रविवेश हुतासनं क्षणान्निर्धूय सकलं अविद्याकृत बंधनं रामप्रसादात् शबरी मोक्षं प्रापाति दुर्लभम. किं दुर्लभम जगन्नाथे श्रीरामे भक्तवत्सले प्रसन्ने अधम जन्मापि शबरी मुक्तिमापसौ. किं पुनर्ब्रह्मणा मुख्या पुण्या श्रीरामचिन्तकाः मुक्तिं यान्ति इति तद् भक्तिर्मुक्तिरेव न संशयः. भक्तिर्मुक्ति विधायिनी भगवतः श्रीरामचंद्रस्य हे लोकाः कामदुघांघ्रिपद्मयुगलं सेवध्वमत्युत्सका नानाज्ञान विशेषमंत्र विततिं त्यक्त्वा सुदूरे भृशं रामं श्यामतनुं स्मरारि हृदये भान्तं भजत्वं बुधाः. So Vyasa is giving his conclusion at the end of the chapter. Budhaha, O wise people, giving up all Laukika, Vaidika, Jnana mantra, margas, all these different mantras, margas, leaving them, hold on to the Rama mantra. With this, think the final sloka, having heard the Bhakti Yoga. So we have seen one Virat Purusha Dhyana, one Bhakti Yoga, Rama teaching Sabari about the Navavidhi Bhaktis, and in the 7th chapter, Jatayu's own way of looking at the Mukti. He has got the Sarupya Mukti. He became like Vishnu. So these are all the different ways which are approved of the Puranas, and also the Virat Swarupa 14-layered world which has been approved. So people will tell only 3 layers, 14 layers, different layers. No need to get confused with all these different descriptions. All these descriptions are possible simultaneously in the Maya Prapancham, the world. So we have come to the end of Aranya Kanda on this auspicious Mohini Ekadasi, which has been observed by Rama on the instruction from Bhagavan Vasishtha. So all that auspiciousness be felt by one and all. Swasti.